In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 most effective ways to reduce the temperature of your gaming laptop. Now, step number 1 is to open up your start menu, go in search for settings and click on the settings window. In the left hand side, select apps and then scroll down and click on startup. Now, these are the applications that automatically start running when you first turn on your computer. Now, it's really important to disable and turn off as many of these applications as you can. As you can see on my computer here, most of these are already disabled. And once you've done that, you can then close out of this window. The next step is to open up the start menu, search for edit power plan and click on this window. Now click on change advanced power settings. Scroll down to processor power management and click on the drop down. Click on the drop down next to maximum processor state, and we're going to change both of these numbers on battery and also plugged in, and we're going to reduce both of these down to 90, and then you can go and press apply and OK. Now just doing that alone should reduce the temperature of your laptop, but one final thing you can do is just elevate the back of your laptop so it's not flat down on a surface. I'd recommend using something like a laptop stand, which is what I have here, and this is also going to dramatically cool the temperature of your laptop. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful.